Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. If you're new to this channel, do not forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. It really does help out the channel a lot, so your support would be greatly appreciated. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Quick disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I'm not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Quick shout out to one of my biggest supporters named Anjum. I really appreciate all the support that you give me. I love you. Thank you so much. And please continue to support me. Your support never goes unnoticed. But now if we are looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently trading at $912 billion. We are up 0.4% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 40.4%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, you guys can see there is quite a bit of red across the board, especially over the last 7 days. If we are looking at the market right now, majority of the cryptocurrency and altcoins are down double digits. And why is this happening? Why is this happening is the question that everyone wants to know, especially if you're a newcomer into the space. The main reason as to why this is happening is because Bitcoin is sitting at some very, very critical price levels. And if you guys are not aware, Bitcoin is the leading indicator of the entire market. So if Bitcoin decides to go down, the entire market is going to react with it. And that's exactly what we are seeing happening right now. So if you are an altcoin holder, you want to watch this video till the absolute end. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one project that we absolutely love on our channel, and that's none other than XRP. All right, my XRP family, if we are looking at the price of XRP right now, you guys can see it is currently trading at 31.9 cents. 31.9 cents, and it is up 1.9% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, and it's also up 2% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Current rank of XRP in the cryptocurrency market ranking is at the top 7th spot with a market cap of $15.4 billion and the 24-hour trading volume of $714.8 billion. I'm sorry, not billion, $1 million. One thing to point out for you guys that I'm finding very, very interesting is the fact that XRP is in green right now. While there is a lot of fear across the board within the markets, XRP is one of the only few coins that is still up right now. So that's something definitely nice to see. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, we are obviously down 52.7%. And this should not be coming as a surprise to any one of us because you guys know what has been happening with the overall market sentiment as well as with XRP. So it should not be coming as a surprise to any one of us. But before we jump into the charts and see what's happening with the price, where it could be going in the immediate short term, I just want to share some news with you guys on that SEC, and Ripple lawsuit that we have been seeing for quite some time. And boy, this lawsuit seems to be taking forever. I feel like I've been covering this for so long, and we have not heard anything, any sort of update. I'm sorry, not update. We have not really seen some sort of settlement come about. But this is a big news that I heard. So you know what, I want to share with you guys if you have not been aware of this. So let's get right into it. So although the biggest decision in the XRP lawsuit was already called in April 2020 when Judge Sarah Netburn denied the SEC's motion of reconsideration, the upcoming ruling serves the same purpose: to put an end to the SEC's attempt to prevent the production of the infamous documents. The reason why Amici attorney John Deaton called it the biggest decision is because of the consequences it would bring for the outcome of the case, the future of both Ripple and the SEC, as well as the future of XRP and probably the overall cryptocurrencies ecosystem in the US. The expectation is that, like in the previous ruling, the court next decision will include a bulletproof section that prevents the SEC from delaying the issue further via appeal to the Second Circuit. Besides the lower probability of the further delays, the upcoming order may trigger a settlement between both parties sooner rather than later. This is because many suspect that SEC will not produce its internal files even if it costs it the whole case. Very, very interesting. Again, more favor towards Ripple rather than the SEC, and that's something we want to be seeing, especially if you are an XRP holder. So is this why we are seeing Ripple in green? Who knows? This news was about 5 days ago, but let's look at the price of Ripple. What is going on and where could we be going in the immediate short term? So right away, you guys can see we are currently trading above this level of support at that 28.69 cents and currently trading at 31.85 cents. So this is the daily time frame. So you know what? Let me bring out the 1 hour time frame for you guys. So you guys get a better picture, more cleaner picture, more zoomed in to see what exactly is going on and where is it most possibly headed in the immediate short term. So right away, you guys can see last time we tried to go back above this level of resistance at that 42.83 cents was back on May 31st. We did see the price of XRP go back above there, but never managed to stay above there. And since then, we have seen it go down. It hit its all-time low of this year at this 28.66 cents price point, which is a major level of support that dates back to 2017. And since then, we have seen the price of XRP really rebounce back up to that 38.7 cents mark. If I am bringing out the measuring tool for you guys, that was a move of about 35%, but since then we have obviously retraced a bit. We're currently from that price point we're up 11.14%. Not bad. Let's not forget, not bad. We will definitely take that. But now comes the question, where is the price of XRP heading? That's the question that's on everyone's mind. So you know what? Let's look at the price of Bitcoin. If you guys aren't a regular follower on my channel and not view my other videos, I request you guys to view my other videos to really see what's going on within the markets. Right now, Bitcoin is sitting at some very, very critical price levels, and it is holding onto this 78.6 Fibonacci retracement support line, as strong as it can, but we are sitting at some very crucial price levels, and we need to see the price of Bitcoin above $20,000, most importantly above that $22,000 resistance level. If we're unable to see the price of Bitcoin above there, which we're not there right now, we could be in for a retest at that $17,624 price point, which we saw back on June 18th. And that is definitely not out of the woods just yet. We could easily retest that. And obviously that is going to have an big impact on the overall cryptocurrency space, because as you guys know, Bitcoin, everything is correlated with the price of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the king of the cryptocurrency market, so everything is going to react if the price of Bitcoin retests that price point, which in my opinion right now is a high possibility. So what is that going to happen to the price of XRP? The XRP price will retest this zone again, in my personal opinion. Because if I'm bringing out the measuring tool for you guys, that's just a move about 11% for us to go back down to those levels. So about like 10% to be exact. And that is definitely not out of the woods as of now. But let's not forget one thing. I've been reading a lot of FUD happened within the price of XRP. I'm sorry, not within the price. Within the community, we have been seeing a lot of comments. People are saying XRP is dead. This is it. But guys, let's not forget, I don't understand why people don't look at the broader picture. XRP is still in the top 10, holding at the top 7 spot. Very, very strong as well. And it has a market cap of $15 billion. That speaks a lot. That speaks a lot of numbers. Really goes to show the overall community's support for this project. And this project is not a new project that just came out last night. This project has built up its credibility, has been in the space for quite some time, and I'm a huge fan of this project. And I've been mentioning this for you guys, even if we don't, even though we're not in a bull market right now, which is a clear indication, it's not a surprise to anyone as of now, but even though we're not in a bull market right now, if this settlement were to happen in favor of Ripple and XRP, I am going to see a major spike within the price of XRP. We are going to really see XRP spike up very, very fast, because XRP really did not have its time last bull cycle, because obviously the unfortunate case that came against XRP happened. But let's not forget, guys, the community still stood around, and the Ripple, the project itself, keep on innovating. They keep on making partnerships. They keep on making their brand bigger and bigger. Everything is lined up in the pipeline for Ripple. If this lawsuit were to come to a settlement in favor for Ripple and XRP, guess what's going to happen? They are going to go public. And once they go public, that is going to bring its own, hype alone. That's a whole hype on its own. Obviously, we're in a total different market time right now. Obviously, the overall traditional markets are going down. Inflation is through the roof. A lot of economic factors that are, going to affect that. But I do believe the hype is still going to come, and XRP is going to react very, very fast. And I hope that happens, because all the XRP day one supporters that were buying up XRP when it had a major crash when this lawsuit were announced, people that were scooping up XRP around then and have been holding and really raising this community and bringing people together, are the ones that deserve every single penny, in my personal opinion, and every gain that they get. They deserve it. And I'm not going to come sit here and say, no, they don't deserve it, this and that. No, they deserve it 100%. And I do believe overall, from all the news that I've heard, everything is in more favor of Ripple rather than SEC. So very exciting times can happen for XRP, whether it's in a bull market or a bear market. We will see something very exciting as long as, Ripple were to win this lawsuit. So right now, the major level of resistance is obviously at that 42 cents. Obviously, we would love to see the price go back up to those levels. If I am bringing out the measuring tool for you guys, that is still a move of about 34%. If you guys wanted to pick up some XRP back when it was at $3, people were FOMOing in. I don't understand when people don't FOMO in or dollar cost averaging when the prices have pulled down quite significantly. People that are accumulating in the bear markets when there's a lot of fear across the board, those are the people that succeed in this market cycle. And those are the ones that really get successful in the end. But that is it for today's update. Let me know in the comment section below where you can see the price of XRP go at the end of this year, most importantly at the beginning of next year. And what are you guys doing right now? Are you guys accumulating your XRP? Are you guys just holding your bags? And what is your overall, understanding of this entire case? Do you think it's more in favor of Ripple, or do you think it is more in favor of SEC? Leave your thoughts down below. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if you guys want me to cover this more often on my channel. I love you all. See you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX.